Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Ounuo Machinery. Through careful design and improvement, our paper molding equipment offers a range of impressive advantages. Let's take a look at these advantages. First, 10% reduction in glue usage, which means you can utilize resources more efficiently, reduce costs, and be more environmentally friendly. Secondly, the washing water consumption significantly reduced by 50%, which not only helps to save costs, but also reduces environmental impact. We are committed to providing more sustainable solutions and contributing to the planet. What's even more is that the washing time reduced by 60 minutes. This means you can complete production cycles faster, increase productivity, and create more value for your business. Furthermore, 5 years of service life addition. This means you can rely on our equipment for longer periods, reduce replacement and maintenance costs, and make your investment more profitable in the long run. Whether it's cost saving, resource saving, efficiency improvement, or lifespan extension, our paper molding equipment upgrade will bring significant value and benefits to your business. Contact us to learn more about our paper molding equipment upgrade, and let's together bring new momentum to your business. Thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.